Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon seahorse. So to start off with our seahorse, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and you just want to draw a circle for the eye. Then I'm going to add a big circle here and then a smaller circle here. Then I'm just going to color in the rest of this just to kind of add a little bit of shine onto the eye. And we're just going to make it kind of cute and cartoony. Kind of curve this around a little better. Now, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to curve it all the way down to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. Make a line that kind of curves out, comes in. And then another one that curves out and comes in for the mouth. Then I'm going to bring it right back here. And I'm going to curve it down for the rest of the head. Then I'm going to get it pretty close to here. And I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out. And then it's just going to go down. And I'm just going to kind of curve it right around here. Then this one, I'm just going to kind of go down. And I'm just going to kind of curve around to here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line. I'm just going to kind of curve out. I'm going to go in and then just kind of curve to there. Then you want to add a few little lines on here. And you can see that I kind of curved these down and now I'm kind of curving them up. Then over here, we want to add some details onto here. So we're going to add their kind of little spikes that they have going down here. But before that, we're going to add kind of like this little fin. So I'm going to add a little curve line here, and I'm just going to put a couple more over here. And then I'm just going to put some little bumps on top of them. Then we want to make the head, or the fins that go down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some little lines that are just kind of going right out of our seahorse, just kind of going all the way around. I'm going to make them a little bit smaller as they get down. And we're going to stop them right about there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect them with some little curves. And this will just kind of make the little fin pattern of our seahorse. So we're just going to kind of make these all along here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon seahorse. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.